exercise is called the head ramp. This is about getting your head and neck into a nice neutral position. So I want you to imagine that you're sitting with a car headrest behind you, or a chair with a tall headrest. And if you think about the centre of your head is the bit that's going to gently press back, and you're thinking about lengthening the neck nice and long. The things you need to be careful with this one is not to let the chin stick up or tuck the chin right in. It's that gentle feeling of pushing back and lengthening the cervical vertebrae, so the vertebrae in your neck, nice and long with a nice stretched up position. And again, remember to keep the rib cage relaxed as you do this. So you can do this exercise pretty much in any position, sitting or standing. It's very versatile. And you just take a few moments just to realign that neck. Think about lengthening up and back. And then you can relax. And then thinking again, nice and long. And that position is actually the position you want to be trying to hold your head in during the day. So we don't want to be having the head sticking out, especially if we're sitting. Perhaps if we're typing or working at a computer, we might have the tendency to bring the shoulders forwards and then the chin comes up like this. So this is just a reminder to straighten up, lengthen the neck, and just find that good posture again. So that's the head ramp, a nice easy one that you can do anywhere at any time of day.